If you love Shamrock Shake, we are about to give you such a treat. Samantha Eaton is here. She is a certified nutritional health coach. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so you reached out to us because you said, think about that Shamrock Shake or some of the other shakes that are out there. Yeah. What's your issue with them?
So I think that they might not be as healthy as people think they are. Oftentimes we hear smoothie and we're like, oh, it's going to be so healthy. Like, that'll be a great thing to start my day with. But oftentimes they're loaded with sugar and tons of extra ingredients. So the McDonald Shamrock Shake in particular has over a half cup of sugar in it.
A half cup of sugar in one shake?
In one smoothie.
Oh.
Right? It's like, do you want to start your day with that? Probably not. No. Probably not. You're going to have a pretty bad crash maybe around noon.
Yeah.
It also has 54 ingredients, and a lot of those ingredients have been linked to increase your risk for things like diabetes, headaches, allergies, weight gain, speed up the aging process, which no one really wants. So what my goal was to create something that tastes just as delicious, but doesn't necessarily come with all that baggage.
So for fairness sake, I'm sure McDonald's would disagree and say that their shakes are fine for everybody, and we get that.
Totally.
And a lot of people love the Shamrock Shake.
Absolutely.
But if people want an alternative, what do we do?
That's 100% why. So to make the smoothie, you'll start off with a half cup of milk. I use unsweetened almond milk, but any milk really will be fine.
And then what else?
I use a half of a can of full-fat coconut milk.
Ooh.
So this will make it nice and creamy and delicious.
Is that easy to find, full-fat coconut milk?
Absolutely. It's in like the specialty section of the grocery store, like where the other like soy sauce and those types of things are.
Okay.
To help with the green also, we're going to add some healthy fat, some avocado. These will be fantastic for revving up your metabolism, stabilizing your blood sugar and your hormones to keep everything good and healthy for you.
Okay.
We need to sweeten it up, so instead of sugar, we're going to use real pure maple syrup.
Ooh.
You can also use honey if you like honey better.
Okay.
It'll taste the same. We're going to use a little bit of vanilla extract to give it a nice taste, about a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then banana. Bananas are fantastic. This will help with the creaminess. I cut it up ahead of time and froze it the night before, and that helps to make it extra creamy.
Nice.
Again, for the green, we're going to add some spinach. I promise you cannot taste the spinach at all. It will be hidden in there. You'll have no idea.
Yeah, because sometimes people, I mean, that discourages people because they're like, oh, I don't like spinach, I'm not going to put it in there. But you promise I'm not going to taste it. I mean, I love spinach.
You're going to tell me in a minute when you taste it.
Okay.
And then last, we need to make it taste pepperminty. So I'm using Doterra peppermint essential oil because it's safe to ingest. If you don't have that, you can use a peppermint extract. So you want to use 1 drop because it's so strong.
I mean, you were very particular about 1 drop. I mean, it is really strong.
It smells like you can smell it all over here.
It smells like
just
a
from the
spa
bottle being open.
To be honest.
It does. And then finally, we want some ice cubes. This will help to make it a little smoother, and it will help, obviously, because everything's better cold.
Yes.
So that's all you do. Put the cap on, blend it up. If you like chocolate,
I do.
I'm a huge chocolate fan.
Yes, ma'am.
You can add in some of these 100% cacao nibs. So these are super tasty. I do have some pre-made for us that I'm going to grab.
All right, go for it.
I didn't put the chocolate in it because I wasn't sure if you were
we'll make the.
You'll make do. We can sprinkle some on top.
There you go. There you go. They look very pretty and green.
What do you think? And then we can add some.
Okay, will you try with me?
Absolutely.
All right, here we go. The true test. Do I taste the spinach?
Let me know what you think.
Don't taste the spinach, A.
Right.
It's perfectly minty and delicious. That's really, really good. And I feel better about drinking that than most anything else I'll drink today.
Awesome.
That is so good. You guys are going to love this. Our Pinterest page has the recipe on it for you if you want to try this at home yourself.